When it comes to winning chicken dishes, this dish has to be in your top 3. It is so easy to make, and the best part is it comes together in record time. Let's make creamy Tuscan chicken. Now usually I'd say there's no such thing as too many herbs in a dish, but this time that's the truth. Don't add too much basil to this dish. It actually ends up being a little sweet and a little soapy, so about 6 leaves is all you need for this dish. Once the sauce has reduced and it's thick enough, well, I'll say thick enough, but just thick enough to coat the chicken, that's when you're done. You don't want to over reduce the sauce. You could chop the chicken up, but I like keeping it whole and serving it chunky over pasta, but you could easily serve this over mash or with crispy bread. And don't forget all that sauce. And just like that, your Tuscan chicken served over rigatoni is done. Made in under 30 minutes. The only thing you need, a little bit of extra parm and basil.